All right, we're back. Still kept most of the length. It's probably 7 or 7.5 inches long. We'll break it. So that last strike I took was to clean up all those hinges back here. I'll make some more. So anybody that missed that, you'll get to see it again. All right, well, I got a hit here I want to take. Might as well take it now. I got this area back here, but I got a nice ridge I can run right from the back. Oh no. That was risky, but it went right where I wanted it. All right, so check the end here, make sure you have no other smaller areas you want to clean up. Trying to thin this base down a little bit here since I'm going to come back up the piece. So I'm just setting up little isolated areas. Shot some flakes across the sides here into that base to try to start thinning that down a little bit more. Now I can come into this thick area. I feel comfortable that it's not going to snap on me. So we're going to come into here and thin some of this crap out here. Got a couple nice spots. We'll decide which way I want to come across first. We'll get into this thick stuff right here right away. A couple thin flakes with the little disc hammer stone. I don't understand what the problem with these lights are. Okay. Where was I? Oh yeah. You know, it's pretty much same process throughout the entire piece. The platform just gets smaller and more difficult to hit. And you know, it doesn't matter if you use copper or what you're using. If you don't utilize isolated platforms, you're never going to be able to make anything big. I know some guys use continuous platforms, but these isolated platforms are much more strike friendly. Right there, you can see it sticking out. Most of my work from here on out is all my hand. That thing ripped. Come up here to this next spot. I'll take a little chunk out right there. See a little small platform I can take right here. Just a little tiny one. Another little small one. Clean that edge up. Come down here. Couple small ones there. Now we're coming over this side here and bring a couple across here. Balance this section out. If you watched my last video, that piece of Georgetown I did, I still have that. I just didn't put it in my cabinet. Some stuff that I plan on working on at some point. There. If you're watching this, you can see the platforms. They all look like when they work, they all look the same. You know, they have that same exact same look. They stick out the same way. All of them do. Another one right here. Got some concrete right there. So let's try to work around that. And like I said, you know, this, you see me doing a lot of little strikes with this hammerstone. That's just stuff I can't explain to you. You just, it's all setting up like you're setting up all your isolated platforms. It's just stuff you got to do to get it just right to take a nice strike. That's that concrete area there again. Not really a hinge, but looks like it. Little flake across there. See? They all have that little lip sticking out. We got work to do on this side here yet too. That one dove on me right there. Not a lot, but we'll get that out of there though. Coming off that platform. Into here. Still kind of dove out on me there, but we'll come over from the other side and get that crap out of there then. Right there. Clean up that crap over there. Kind of caved on me right there at the beginning. You just see there's a slight little line there. It's nothing to be worried about, but it undercut all of it. Maybe undercut it a little bit too much. And this is where it starts taking a lot of time. Because at this point, and actually back before this point even, is where you really don't want to make many more mistakes. Because the platforms just start getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And the antler doesn't get smaller. Still kept a lot of that length. That one there ripped a little bit more than what I would have liked, but it's really, really thin right there. Don't really like that, but it's going to snap. It's going to snap right there. So what I'm going to do is now take a little bit more weight off the tip up here. There we go. Those hits are like ridiculous. Shouldn't even do that, but it's better to come up here and take some strikes off the, there we are, take some strikes off the tip while the piece has still got some thickness to it. It breaks. But you don't have to come up here later on and have this thick tip and expect to get it off without snapping the piece in half, because it's probably not going to happen. Big piece of chalk in there. I got this piece of chalk right here. I know it's going to give me a problem. I gotta take that down right there. That's my next spot. Took that flake off that tip up there again. Well, all right, we're down to this concrete spot. I only got like 4 minutes left of my videos, so what we'll do is I'll finish this point another day. But we're at least gonna try to take a hit on this concrete here. That concrete pocket. The platform set up. Oh boy. I got through it, but it's still there. But this is where we're gonna end this video for now. I tried to delete some other videos so I could have some room. Piece is going well. honestly, for me on a piece this size here, I'll probably have another like 2 hours into this piece, maybe even 3 hours, because now it's gonna get really technical if I don't want to break it or hinge it all up. And the reason I say that is a lot of my videos are not that long, but I'm trying to just stay focused on isolating everything throughout the whole piece so I don't screw up as much as I usually do. But so maybe we'll come back and finish this tomorrow or something, or maybe later tonight. But I'm gonna upload these 3 videos here, and you can listen to me talk about the edge of a rock. Tools used are these 4 tools. Something's wrong with this antler because well, no, it's just I need to clean it up. Big one, big moose antler, bigger hammerstone, well, bigger. And then my 2 primary tools that I use a lot are this disc hammerstone for edge prepping and platform prepping, and small flake removals, sometimes maybe even medium-sized flake removals, and then for like medium to larger flake removals, and sometimes even small ones. This moose billet here that I got from Adam Silva, I think his last name is. This is probably the best piece of moose antler I've ever gotten. Looks really aged, but it's a great piece. That's it, guys. Tired. Later on.